here is the graph of a function, y equals f of x. And we would like to find the coordinate of this root here, which is labeled r. So root, because that's where it crosses the x-axis. That's where we have a 0 of our function. The thing to notice here is that if I have a guess about where the root is, I can find a tangent line, right? I'm mostly interested in functions which have derivatives. So I can calculate a derivative. The derivative will give me the slope of this function. And then once I have the slope of this function and the coordinates of this point, that is enough information for me to find this tangent line, which is drawn in pink here and labeled L. Now, in this diagram, if I follow L here, my tangent line intersects the x-axis closer to the root than my actual x value did. So I picked some value for x. I found the value of the function for that x coordinate. I found the tangent line using the derivative, and I followed that tangent line until it hit the x-axis again. And that got me closer to this root. You can start to imagine if I did this a second time. Let's see where f of x2 is. It's going to be right here. Where is my tangent line? My line tangent to the function there is going to be like so. And I got closer again. So all that I'm doing here is I'm just taking derivatives, evaluating the function at a certain point, drawing in a tangent line, and so on. This process just involves techniques that we already know how to do. So how can I put these steps together and find that root? So as long as we pick a good starting guess, our x1, then that tangent line is going to be very close to the function. So close that the tangent line should be closer to the root that we want when we follow that tangent line all the way to the x-axis. So let's be a little bit more explicit here. The formula for a tangent line is given here using slope-intercept form. So y minus f of x1 must be equal to f prime at x1 times the quantity x minus x1. So what is this formula telling me? Here I have my variable y minus the particular y coordinate that I want. That needs to be equal to the slope of the tangent line times my variable x minus the x that I want. So here they're using x0 for that point. I guess I will do the same. So the y coordinate that is associated there will be y1. Again, all I'm doing here is I am just writing the formula for a tangent line, and that's something that we've known how to do for a little while now.